Switch case in C, it is an alternate to if-else-if ladder. Switch block consists of cases to be executed based on value of switch variable. Syntax is like this: switch expression, case value 1, then the statement will be executed, semicolon, or if this statement is our expected result, then it will be breaked. This is the break statement. This is the break statement. Similarly, case value 2 statement will be executed. This is the break statement. And at last, default will be executed. If no conditions are true, default will be executed with statement and break. This is the flowchart. Switch case 1. If this is true, this will be executed. If false, then case 2 will be executed.